Students who made India proud. The story behind Naturals. A large sapphire cluster found. Tesla factory in India. Hello, and my name is Arjinath and you're watching the WYM Daily News. The students that made India proud. These Indian teams beat over 70 teams around the world for winning a prestigious NASA award. These students built a motorless rover that was awarded the third prize in NASA's Human Exploration Award Challenge. 10 of them from Bhubaneswar formed a team that received a prize of building a motorless rover. This rover could be operated in rough terrains, like the surface of the moon. The under-19 team used spare parts of a bicycle or rickshaw and built this magnificent rover under 6 months. PM praises AP youth's work. A Tirupati youth was praised by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his efforts to help farmers by providing weather-related information in the local language. During Prime Minister's Mann Ki Baat radio program, the Prime Minister himself mentioned Sai Parneet, who calls himself the Andhra Pradesh weatherman. He had a keen interest in meteorology in the past many years, and hence he had decided to use his talents for the help of farmers. PM asked for programs in villages for the 75th year of independence. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asked the BJP MPs to mark 75th year of independence by organizing programs in every village of their constituencies. PM Modi has told the 75th anniversary of celebrations, independence should not merely be a government's program, but it should be the people's movement with the people's participation. He asked the BJP MPs to form a team of 2 party workers in each assembly segment. The Prime Minister told the MPs that these teams of 2 BJP workers will visit 75 villages in each assembly constituency and spend 75 hours in each constituency. The story behind one of the most famous ice cream places, Natural. Raghunandan, the founder of Natural's ice cream, was born in Karnataka and his family shifted to Mumbai when he was 14. After failing his 10th exams, he was sent to work at his brother's restaurant. Over there, he had an idea of selling homemade ice cream, which was promptly rejected. Eventually, after his brothers split and Raghunandan got some money from the restaurant, he decided to open his own shop. He set up a small shop in Juhu where he used to sell pav bhaji and homemade ice cream. After a year, he stopped selling pav bhaji and Natural became a fully-fledged ice cream plant. Today, there are lines of people standing in the shop to eat ice cream. Largest sapphire cluster found. Have you heard of this phrase, living under a rock? Well, get ready to hear about living above one. A gem trader said a large stone was found by workmen digging a well in his home in the gem-rich Ratnapura in Sri Lanka. Upon inspection, it was found that the gem was a large sapphire cluster. South Korea and North Korea's miscommunication problem is now solved. The leaders of North Korea and South Korea restored suspended communication channels between them and agreed to improvise ties. Both governments agreed on Tuesday amid a 2.5-year stalemate in the US-led diplomacy aimed at stripping North Korea of its nuclear weapons. Some experts say North Korean leader Kim Jong-un merely intends to burnish his international image or use South Korea as leverage ahead of a potential resumption of talks with the US. However, this move is a welcome peace initiative by all in the Korean Peninsula and the world. Elon Musk says there could be a Tesla factory in India, but with a condition. According to recent reports, Tesla may open a factory in India, but the company's CEO Elon Musk, however, he has a small condition. Musk responded to one of the tweets which said something about opening a factory in India, and he retweeted that he claimed that the building a factory is only possible if the imported Tesla cars receive a good response in the Indian market. Continuing, he said, if Tesla is able to succeed with imported vehicles, then a factory is set to be coming.